So, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'll just be sharing you my one day off, my precious one day off, wherein I went home to my mama, to my hometown in Quezon Province. So, syempre commute lang ang person, no? I don't know how to drive, I don't have a license, I don't have a car. And, on top of it all, 3 hours lang talaga yung tulog ko, literally. I came from mid-shift. Siguro nakauwi ako before 12 midnight. Then 2 a.m. na ako pinatulog ng aking baby girl. And I had to wake up at 5 a.m. to prepare. Kasi nga, I only have the whole day. So, ayan yung view. So, pagpasok pa lang ng Laguna, then Batangas, then Laguna again, and hanggang papasok ng Quezon. So, I wasted no time soaking in the view, feeling the nature. So, it's not really very probinsya as one may think. So, syempre may mga establishments naman, especially along the highway. So, you have there, Jollibee, diba? Pero, the difference is, there's mountain view, there's trees, there's nature. Ayan, may farm pa nga. Okay. So, ang daming puno, may saging, may niyog. So, there are houses along the way. And, yung ganito kaaliwalas na space, yung ganyan na maa-appreciate mo talaga the sky, it doesn't happen in Manila. So, 'di ba? Pag open mo ng bintana when you're in the metro, all you see are just other windows. It's so noisy outside. Sobrang daming tao everywhere. Sobrang daming bata. And it's suffocating. Whereas dito sa probinsya, it's breathtakingly beautiful. Talaga yung sariwang hangin, yung clouds, kahit nagbabanta na yung ulan. So, ayan. And sa totoo lang, I really can't wait to be back. But for today, I only have one day. So, this view is actually here in my hometown na in Pagbilao, Quezon. So, grabe na yung clouds. So, talaga nagbabanta siya ng malakas na ulan. So, eto na yung papasok ng bayan. So, eto na yung bayan ng Pagbilao, Quezon. So, dito po ako lumaki. I've had my childhood here. I went to my grade 1 and 2 in this hometown of mine. So, sobrang nakakamiss. Sobrang, alam mo yun, when you're back, it's just a different kind of peace. So, ito nga pala yung munisipyo namin. And besides there is the covered court. Andyan din po. So, on the other side actually is our church, St. Catherine of Alexandria Parish Church. Pero syempre, andito ako sa kabilang side ng sasakyan. So, yeah, diba? Ang famous na Cutie Pie 79 waiting shed. So, yan yung sakayan. So, we're not a city, okay? We're just a town. But, again, we do have Jollibee. Ayan. So, eto na yung papuntang palengke. Pero hindi ko tuturo sa inyo kung bahay namin, kung nasaan. Anyway, so, diba, there's lots of space. Pwede talaga maglaro. Pwedeng, kids would really enjoy being in the province. Kasi pwede ka magpiko dyan, pwede ka mag-badminton dyan, sa mga kalye dyan, because, it's so spacious. Unlike in the metro, everywhere, there's cars, tricycles, e-bikes, all. So, eto na. Andito na ako. Malapit na ako. Let's have lunch. Mag-hi ka. Hello.
Hi! Anong sabi sa'yo ni Doc? I'm still beautiful.
So that is my mama for you, and this time naman nasa jeep papuntang Lucena kasama ang aking dalawang pretty pamangkin, si Monique at si Alexa. Kasama din namin si ate pero nandun siya sa tapat namin na upuan. So again, just view, this is the other side naman of the road. So papuntang Lucena, may aasikasuhin ang meses, charot. Ayun. So, I was worried about the rain because my shoes. So, to distract me from the weather, kinukulit ko yung mga pamangkin ko na si Gareth, ayaw sumama sa vlog. Yari ka sa akin sa pag-uwi ko ulit. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Love you, Gareth. And I wanna thank Monique for crafting me a very pretty bag. So, ayun. And, ayan na nga. Ayan ang dahilan ng aking pag-uwi. Kahit balikan pa. So, eto talaga yon. Siyempre, aside from eating lunch with my mama. So, ayan po talaga yung inasikaso ko. And, please pray for me na sana this is really a dream come true for me. So, manifesting good vibes and blessings na I really wanna see this through. Okay. Jollibee moment with my papa kasi 18 yung birthday niya. Hinahalin ata ako ni papa ko. So, ayun. That's it. Mas mahaba pa yung ibinyahe ko kesa sa inistay ko, but it's also worth it. Seeing my pamangkins, seeing mama, having lunch with them. Ayun. So, the day is over. Tomorrow, pasok na naman ng maaga because I'm still on morning shift. Kaya, right before sunset, I have to be on my way na. So, it's nakakalungkot because I really wanna stay, but at the same time, nag-worry na ako sa dalawang pusa because yung day off ko talaga is dedicated for them. Kasi during working days, halos hindi kami nakakapaglaro and everything. So, nakaka-guilty rin na isa na nga lang yung day off ko, hindi ko pa sila kasama. Eh kasi nga, balikan lang ako. So, mapapagod lang sila, may stress lang sila sa biyahe. As you've seen, sobrang saglit lang ako. I just did what I really have to do. So, pabalik ng Manila, I'm just enjoying the sunset view. I know I'm gonna see this place very soon. I'll be back for good, maybe, hopefully. Then, that's it. Till next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching my vlog.